afternoon, this will be the process. So, it will be Marina who will facilitate po this afternoon sharing, rather the presentations. I will ramay-ramay na activity Google Meet also. So, the instruction has been relayed to you this morning. So, basically, hindi niyo po i-comment yung sarili niyong probinsya. Yung i-comment niyo po yung output po ng ka-breakout session room po ninyo. So, say for example, sige, yung i-comment niyo yung output po ng Northern Summer. Your comments will be based on the notes that was provided to you. However, pwede po kayo mag-add, pwede din po kayo mag-clarify for the specific data that could be found on the provincial report po ng kino-comment niyo pong provincial report. So, that will be it. So, after all of this, please ensure po na the notes ng ating secretariat are submitted po to the Google Drive. So, in a little while, i-up ko po yung Google link kung saan po isa-submit ang notes niyo po. Because these notes, yung mga sinulat ni documentor, etc., yung magiging basis ng presentation ng ating presenter should be put into writing, and that writings or document should be submitted through the Google link that will be provided to you shortly. So I hope it is understood. So with that, allow me to endorse the floor to my alternate, Ms. Rina Mendez Valles. So Ma'am Rina, kindly take over po. Salamat. Okay, so may technical difficulty pa po at kay Ma'am Rina na end. So, pa-prepare na lang po ako for the comment of Northern Samar sa output po ng Leyte. So, as mentioned kanina, ang ating pong presenter is si Sir Denver. Sir Denver, are you in the call na po?
Yes po, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Parang ikaw yata yung pinakamaswerteng PHP ng Northern Samar.
For the
So,
month
ano
of
ba to?
July.
Oo, ganun ba? May pala kayo decking every month. So, parang baptism of fire, pero parang last week pa to.
Masusumikip
Diba?
sila.
Nire-practice ko ni Inik para mga succeeding activities, ikaw na lang din. Malitaw. So anyway, so I think Ma'am Rina na is in the call right now. I will be again endorsing the virtual meeting to Ms. Rina Alternate. Thank you po.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. May audio na po ba? Nadidinig po yung audio ko. Okay, thank you. Yan, may na mga thumbs up. So kanina hindi talaga nadidinig so sorry for the inconvenience. So this afternoon po, I will be the one to take charge po ng aton continuation ng aton feedback meeting, which is na po inihinga. Mag-check po kita or mag-present kita kung ano po natin mga tawag ito, comments or mga suggestions assigned natin nga province with each one aton province. So kanina morning kita nag-present aton PSCM, and then nag-breakout session, di ba? Naka-breakout session po ba ang tanan niya provinces? So how was the breakout session? Parang nagbabalik kitahan aton AMS na part na kabutangan nga nagbe-breakout session. So this afternoon po, we will proceed with the presentation of our mga with the presentation aton mga comments aton mga kung nag-perfect na ba, kung nag-follow ba ang prescribed template, kung for validation ba siya, kung na-complete ba ang mga date as of naton, and then kung na-reflect ba ang mga costs and computations, etc. po, depending po han iyo session with the province nga naka-assign po ha aton. So now ready na po ba ang aton first presenter? So ano tiyo gusto mag according po ba doon sa nakalist kanina ni attorney, or magkukuha pa kita? Mag-volunteerism. Sino yung gustong mauna?
Ako na lang po, ma'am.
Hello?
Ma'am, hello.
Okay, so goods na Northern Samar and Leyte, ano? So we will start with the province of Northern Samar and Leyte. So nandito na po ba yung ating presenter ng undocumenter, both provinces, Northern Samar and Leyte? May I see a hand po? Kahit thumbs up lang po kung okay na. Okay, nag-thumbs up na po ang Northern Samar. How about po ang Leyte? Okay, thank you so much. So I would like to give again the microphone to our presenters. So Northern Samar and Leyte po. Take it away po.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, I will just state
Good afternoon, sir.
na lang po here amo ang comment to province of Leyte. Wala po kasi ang prepare og kanang PowerPoint. So, based on conducted review sa data analysis ni province of Leyte, it has been shown that the province used complete and uses prescribed template during the presentation. And also the tables have also stated that the commodities have correct unit of price tabulated per programs. And then in general, there are no further validation needed for the completeness and readiness of the province. So that would be all yung comment ko sa province of Leyte.
Okay, Sir Denver. So, thank you. So, direct to the point, Sir Denver. So, how about po ang province of Leyte to Northern Samar naman po? Do you have a presentation prepared, or na din po? Tawag ito? Mag-istorya lang. Ano yung comments? May presentation po ba, Leyte? Over to you, Miss Abby. Hello? I would like to ask, narinig po ba yung audio ko? I would like to ask, okay, thank you. So we will now proceed po with the province of...
Hello. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, Ma'am Sue. Good afternoon. May
Hanay lang
presentation
po
ka,
ha,
ma'am?
madali lang.
Yes. Take your time.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon, B.
Waray kami rin presentation. Basahon ko na lang
Earl.
po amon comment.
Okay, go.
So, our comment for the province of North Samar. First, formatting and structure in the table headings used inconsistent capitalization. Example, months to last versus months to last. Phrases like stocks on hand and months to last are repeated and can be simplified. Figure references example in figure 1-1A are not consistently formatted or are missing visuals. Second, missing price information. No price per commodity is included across all program areas in nutrition and immunization and in family planning program. Third, missing units of measure. Quantities example in
si 223,992 for COC, lack of units like cycles or pieces. Nutrition also, example, sachets, tablets are mentioned without consistent UOM. Next is lot number and expiry details. Lot numbers for near expiry items are incomplete or not standardized. Expiry dates are unclear. Example, in 12/25 should be December 2025. Next, template issues. Some tables are missing standard columns like price and UOM. Next is terminology and abbreviations. Acronyms like RUSF, PFO, PHPs, and SDPs are not defined. Suggest spelling out full terms on first mention with acronyms in parentheses. Next is data consistency and validation. Like perosulfate in the narrative does not match ferrous with folic acid in the table. Some stock and consumption data, example, RHO versus PHO, do not align or add up properly. Next is missing program data. Like filariasis and schistosomiasis program data are not included in the report. Last is the annexes. Each program should have its own annexes per commodity for clear documentation. And overall, the report is well prepared and informative, while there are some minor errors and inconsistencies these are manageable and can be easily corrected. That's all.
Those are
By the way, I'm early. Bagon from our Leyte. Hi, Ate Badet. That's all. Yan.
noted po, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you po.
for the comments.
Okay po. So thank you so much, Province of Leyte, for the comment po. So for the next provinces na ma-present So I would like to commend lang po ang Province of Leyte for stating all yung mga po ninyo nakita na mga tawag na mga inconsistency. So hope please for Northern Martin kindly sana na-take note po niyo. So yung mga formatting inconsistent, yung mga yung information, yung po ninyo, so kindly indicate po, mga template issues, terminologies, abbreviations. Yes po, sakto po yung sinabi ni Ma'am Earl na kung mag-abbreviate po tayo, dapat mag-spell out po muna tayo on the first tawag nito, mention, and then we can use abbreviation na po after po hito niya specific nga like for example hito niya paragraph or hito niya ano ba ito nga term nga. And then yung mga not included na program, so kindly include po at yung annexes din po. So overall po sabi pa nga nila Ma'am Earl na yung mga errors naman po is can be corrected naman siya immediately. So for Northern Samar to Leyte, so far yung comment was naka-comply man or nakasunod sa prescribed template yung sa Leyte team na tawag na presentation nila, and then may mga price computation, and then overall no further validation needed. So let us give a round of applause po to our first two provinces. So we will now move po to our next province, which is yung ating team. Sino nga po ba yung presenter? And then for Southern Leyte team, si Ma'am Tere po yung presenter. So kindly take note po yung ating documenters, must document po kung ano yung comment na ibinigay ng inyong province assigned. So, I would like to call in po provinces of Biliran and Southern Leyte. Sino po yung gustong maunang comment? Nandito na po ba sila Ma'am Tere, Ma'am Lolita, o Ma'am Bell? Okay, so sino po yung gustong mauna? Wait, may message. Okay. So, Biliran team, kayo po muna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Go ahead na. Over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. For Southern Leyte po, sa PSCM, overall po is very, very detailed an era PSCM. Tas there are comparison from Q1 to Q2. Tas tanan ang PNDF available in the different facilities that are monitored. Then, complete po ang ilang template is sakto, accurate. Then, ang ilang no further validation po kay very detailed naman po ang IRA PECM. Then, they already have signature po sa tanan pharmacies including the DMO5. For data analysis, complete using the template provided as date as of is clearly stated above. Then, there are prices taran stocks na expired. Then, an era mantulas, very specific po an per RHU. Then, an 3 to 6 months and then 6 to 12 months nila naman tulas is nakabutang good peraan quantity per RHU. Then, ang signature po is naana po sa DMO5 po nila. Then, it has been proofread na po, then no further validation. That's all po. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Bell. So, we will now proceed po sa ating Southern Leyte team. Ma'am Tere, over to you.
Mag-share screen lang po. Hello?
Okay, go ahead, Ma'am Tere. Ready here, may presentation.
So, good afternoon, Ma'am Lolit.
Good afternoon.
Hello? Hello, naririnig ba?
Yes po.
Okay, sige. So, for Biliran po, yung na-observe po namin, Ma'am Lolit, is sa table of contents, the title and the period covered each unit is not indicated. Example, nakasurat nga quarterly data analysis on the availability of the DH public health program. Tapos, commodities under the family unit, table of contents po. Bali, butangan gihapon, like stock on hand, ano nga page, and then ano nga figure, ang mga figure, months to last, then butangan yan page kada program. So ang font amo nabantayan is Daily Times New Roman and then Daily Pod size 12. Okay. So sa ano na? Sa oo. And then ang page di ay dili naka-align ang pages nila sa table of contents. Sige. So katul sa background kuwang ka og title and period covered katong na ay kung second quarter ba and then butangan update kung kano o kung when ito nga report like April 1, 2025 to June 30, 2025. So about po sa table nga months to last nabantayan po namo ang months kulang og S. And then ang sa as of June bali specific lang kita hin date like 30 or any date nga nakaano kami ito nga data. So may question lang kami Rina, an iniya nga months to last ibubutan pa ba namon an 0 or diri na?
Hello, Ma'am Tere.
Hello,
Adihiya,
na
hello? Nabati ka na? Hello? Hello? Hello?
di ka di ba
Hello, Ma'am Tere? Nababatian ako? Hello?
Hello Rin?
Nakabati ka? Ate Tere, hello? Hello?
Oh, sige. Basta kay amo letogin
Hello?
question kon ibubutan pa ba or diri. Ito lahiri na nga 0. So, ang mo ika-clarify and di na babatian.
Hello? Good afternoon. Hello, mic check. Hello?
Hello?
Nakabati ka mo?
Nababatian ba ako?
Nakabati ako ha mo.
Thumbs up please.
Hello?
Nabati man.
How about ako po? Nakabati ka mo
No,
ha
sige.
akon?
Continue. Bali, ang sa months to
Nakabati
last,
ka?
amo lang i-clarify kung how the computer months to last since when we divide the stock on hand at the RHUs by the average consumption. Okay, and result differ from what is reflected in the report. Dili kita man question ni
Hello, good afternoon.
Kaniman.
Nabati ako? Hello?
Sunod, balik kita na din. Ay, sorry. Amo lang ika-clarify, ang katubang near expired or sila ang magamit in red color font. So ganito naman na question kung pwede ba maggamit ito hiya nga ano like ibuhat sa biliran. So ang ilang year expiry is why unit price and total cost. See. Ay, na pa. Ma'am. Okay. So, madal kami nakita gap din expired commodities. Hamentan is mapabutang la kami kung ano tiya, ampule ba ito hiya, tablet, suspension. So, amo lang ipa-complete kung 10 milligrams, 50 milligrams. Sige. Down pa. Ay, bali ang ana mo nabantayan gihapon an iyo per table waray hiya ano kung ano nga figure months to last. Pati gihapon ha graph sa stock on hand. Oo, bali na bantayan gihapon na the analysis for one-year expiry is not presented before the prescriptive table or graph. Instead, the analysis is written in the figure title. Bali, example, ano, papagkala naman example na Adiman. Bali, adiman Ma'am Lolit, like, nagbutang kan figure 8.1 and then imogin butang ang title, tapos meritso hiyahan, ano, analysis. Hadto nga man, so dapat itubo, isasarat hiya. Okay. Tapos, kami nabantayan, ano ini nga word nga near expiry. Bali, kung iya ito, ano, kung nag-start kang capital hiya, near, dapat an i capital gihapon, tapos han c capital gihapon, dapat uniform hiya. Like, the decision made, an iya m is a small letter, so dapat capital gihapon niya. Basta amo lang ang table Ma'am Lolit, adi danahan TV paubos nga program, iya per table graph way ano title. Why title? Tapos check na lagi hapon an iya ano an months. Butang niya naman S. Tapos an June butang ikon 30 ba ito nga date. Tapos may dako naman nakita ngayon han total cost han MR diri magkatugma. Yan ang maging compute. Pa-check na lagi hapon ang total. Kaya ang iyo gimbutang nga na report is 13,775. Tapos ang maging compute is 13,786.89. Siguro waran niyo na api and 0.41. So sa PCM, wait lang sorry, and may pala napansin nga hindi wala signature ni Ma'am Lolit and ang ila DMO5. So sa PSCM, graph has no title. For example, figure A, from management, administration, and human resources storage condition. Commended their graph kay clean and easy to follow. Pages are not in line, gihapon sa table of contents. Then kindly recheck the spelling, especially the title ng graph sa letter E. And then uploaded PSCM is not signed in the prepared by and approved by section. That's all. Ma'am Reyna, to you.
Okay. Thank you. Nababati na, nakabati na ka mo? Okay. Okay, ano, asya na nga na thumbs up. Pwede mo pa, ano, chat, kung nababati na ko? Okay, so, damon man thumbs up. Okay, so thanks so much po for, ano, Okay, thank you so much, Nicole, para confirmation. Kay dira ko sure kung nababatian ba ako. Okay, so thank you so much po, province of Biliran and Southern Leyte. So, ano ko lang, parang isa-summarize ko lang era mga comments. So, for Biliran and to Southern Leyte, overall detailed and PSEM. So, complete naman daw po ang template and accurate po or correct ang yung gamit nga template. So, price is may dagihap nakabutang din po ang date as of. Duly signed na din po yung data analysis report nila. Months to last, naka-indicate din po yung 3 to 6 months, sa example 3 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months. So far, no other comments regarding po ang report han Southern Leyte. So, yung Southern Leyte naman to Biliran, mayroon lang po din mga few comments towards the completion po han paghimuhan data analysis. So, parang mostly Ma'am Tere, hakanan iya tawag ito, pag-make mismo han data analysis like mga templates or mga text sa gaditon like diri hiya naka-justified mga salitan diri naka-align mga sa dito mga font diri naka Times New Roman. So kindly province of Biliran and to every province po kindly i-follow lang aton sakto nga templates like for example mga font size, font style. And then may question lang po regarding naka red color nga font. So far wala aton diri man kita nagre-red color if in case iton hiya nga report is expired or near expiry. So gula talaga aton. Normal lahi nga report, data analysis report. Wala kita mga i-color nga iba. Kumbaga mga superimposition sa diton or wala hiton niya So that's for mga near expired or expired. Re-report natin hiya but diri natin hiya i-color red. So amo to na yung question na Ma'am Tere regarding hadto. And then yung yung mga unit of measure, so kindly indicate po talaga kung ano ba hiya, kung na tablet ba iton hiya, sachet ba iton, ano iya dosage, so kindly indicate po. And then may dala ako din suggestion for the province of Biliran. Nakita ko lang po kasi yung inyong yung pinakita ni Ma'am Tere ngayon na yung mga naka less than 3 months, naka more than 6 months, ganun po. Meron kasing iba na like for example, the same table siya, meron siyang less than 3 months, as merong more than 6 months, as mabalik na naman hiyahin less than 3 months. So I would suggest na urusan niyo, like for example, 3, if in case iton hiya nga kwan is will last 3 to 6 months. Ang tanan niya 3 to 6 months na commodities, iuyego sa kung within hiton niya nga program. And 6 to 12 iguro sa niyo diri hiya nagbubulag-bulag para madali po an iya pag identify, madali hiya pagkita po ha report. And then sakto po adto an ni Ma'am Tere nga sa figure yung nakabutang na dito ang data analysis. So dapat title hiya han figure an i-analysis is ato dito han kuan and dito like mga decision made or mga report on expired or expiry, mga sort po hiton. And figures is ang titles only. And then follow ka mo aton naming aton figures. So, with regards naman costing so sakto po adto ang comment nira Ma'am Tere nga kailangan sakto po ang atong pag-compute, i-include ko may naman itong mga point something, kay pag multiply hiton, syempre maiba iton itiya total if in case hindi natin i-include yung an actual niya nga amount or an iya price. So far, yun lang po yung na take note ko. So yung ating mga concerned provincial mga provinces kindly comply po mga comments din po aton towards an aton data analysis. Okay po. So we proceed with our last two provinces, Eastern Samar Team and Samar Team. So I would like to call in yung ating pong presenters, Miss Nikki and si Miss May. Andito na po ba?
Yes po. Magpa-share screen na po.
Sige.
Pwede ako, Anay.
Nadali ni
Mamapagsita
Kilo.
kasi kami apido.
Oo, May. Iranikil ako ng anay.
Sige po, ate. Okay po.
Sige na, Nikki. Go
Sorry,
ahead.
Ate May. Mamura po ang presentation. I'm so sorry. So, giseparate ko on comments for PSCM and for commodities na non-speed. For PSCM po, and for Samar, actually, first comment po was for the alignment indention. Diba standard natin aside from TNR and 12 guys at font and size, we have to use the justify na indention and alignment. Excuse me. And second, for the PSCM, the uniformity, I'm not sure lang po, Ma'am Rin, if na parang majority ko to kung naging decision na to include not just the quantity facilities but also the percentage. Kasi if parang naging agreement hiya, it should have been included PSCM nila for this quarter. Then, lastly, for the PSCM, mapadouble check na lang ma'am iyo computation percentage. Danay po di rin nagmamatch.
Okay, next.
Okay po. For commodities naman po, na ko kasi nga na-check an annex. So, mapa-make sure lang po na hindi yung di ba, may standard nga, branding kitahan atin office. Di ba, pag need natin isend an annex, dapat may branding and heading and footer. Mapa-make sure lang. Kasi di ba naka-Excel or naka-Google Sheet yung annex. Wala. Then for na-fix naman actually na okay na header and foot. And footer actually, ma'am, may waray pa. And page number lang na kinikita. So, mapa ko na lang footer for the entire nga analysis na. Then for napansin ko gyapang contentan iyo commodities na analysis. May mga important words ata, I think, na naka-bold. So, parang mami-misinterpret siya na important or may emphasize. Parang no need naman to emphasize hiya ng mga words. Then, ang computation on cost, kung magbabase po kitang gihatag nga cost supply, may mga inconsistency po computation total costs. Kadidahan mga expired. An example po ini an vitamin A 100 KIU and MNP nga hinang clozapine. Then for the months to last, may dala sa nga table nga nawaraan yung label table nga total consumption for 3 months. Amo lang. Didahan tuberculosis na program nga table months to last. That's all po. Thank you.
Okay, so para makabalik pa, May, po.
Hello. So, our documenter is net differences. For the summer second quarter reports, where their data FAQs are thoroughly tracked, comparison between Q1 and Q2 are accurately made. Calculation for mental last are number and expiration date. Expired items are fully accounted for, including their cost. However, there is a smooth, especially for the quantity. So specifically in the month of last column, as it current account of nutrition, a safe for Q2. So for the quantities for the Ferrous, MNP, and for USF. And then management report for Eastern Samar, so it is already complete. All required data and section have been fully accomplished and well known.
Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Nikki and Miss May for the comments. So, i-summarize ko lang ano kung ano ang mga comments po natin last two provinces. So, from Eastern Samar to Samar na comments lang po regarding din ito aton mga text like alignment, induction. So, sakto po talaga adto. Naka-justified po ang aton dapat ang text po. Kanina may nakita din ako na diri po yun naka-justified. So, kindly change po natin intention into justified po. For uniformity, so sakto po ang comment ni Miss Nikki, yung ating yung percentage siya. Like for example, meron tayong naka-specify po. Like for example, 7 out of 8. So, ilalagay po yung percentage. So, pira ka percent ang 7 out of 8. Ganun po. So, hindi lang yung number of facilities yung reflected po in our report. So, kailangan nakalagay din po yung kanyang percentage. So, for the commodity, so may issues on the branding and aton annexes. So, kindly follow lang din po official header and footer po which is provided in aton CHD kay for sering pa nga branding po ito han aton CHD. Content and analysis. So, sakto po adto. No need to bold. Or sabi ko pa nga kanina din for the province of Biliran. No need to mag-color in red for the mga expired or their expiry. So, same with this. No need to make mga bold niya text para po parang sabi pa nga ni Miss Nikki na no need naman pag-emphasize in mga sawadhipan. Computation of cost, so sakto po, kailangan po talagang i-compute natin accordingly kung ilan. Mas better siguro if you would use, tawag ito, Excel, kay accurate nga to, kung tara naman mag-calculator kita. Kamula po ako na convenient ha iyo, pero make sure lang na sakto po yung total cost na makukuha natin, quantity multiplied by the unit cost of each commodity. And then for the Samar to Eastern Samar, so far meron lang din few comment lang po with regard sa pag to comply aton sa Eastern Samar team. So far po amo aton mga comments. Let us give a round of applause po to each provinces. So with regards po pag submit finalized na data analysis on PSCM and commodity. So I will ask po muna attorney kung ano po an agreement. Mga costs kindly complete po before we print aton final data analysis for submission. And then this reports also will be provided. The copy of the presentations, the copy of the reports will be provided po aton mga program managers. So, any comment po or any addition, baka mayroon kayong mga nakalimutan or mayroon kayong gusto pang i-add sa ating report kasi para naman din to sa ating uniformity of our reports po na gagawin. So, any comment pa po or any additional na information with regards sa ating reporting? Anyone po from the provinces? Before we proceed with our next agenda. Ah, sige.
Rian, may question na
Okay,
po.
Nikki.
Regarding po ang endorsement, if in case, di ba, dated ang natin endorsement, may dala kasi kami nahimuhan aman unang report, unang analysis for PHO. Should we change it po ba? Like, uutruhon ba? Unrevised na.
Okay. So nakapaghimo na kamo yung endorsement to PHO man ano and then with date na signed na yan ni Demo 5.
Yes po,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Okay. I will ask po muna kan Ma'am Angel regarding hiton and then later. Kung ano ang agreement.
Okay, ma'am
Okay. Thank you
Rin.
so much Nikki, for
Thank you.
pag brought up hiton niya concern kay maybe in some other provinces gihap may da na din hera signed niya endorsement to PHO na signed na ni DMO5. So thank you so much Nikki for bringing that up and hito niya concern. So any may dapa kita for clarification?
Rin.
Yes, Ate Correct.
Pakiana ko la about han table ba nga kung stock out, iga-api pa ba hiya? Ha table di rin.
Di rin na.
Okay,
Oo.
sige. Yung klaro ko la. Kaya biliran may iragin up. Okay, sige.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any additional po? May additional pa po na comment or question? Pag-clarify la? Going once? Going twice? Waray na? Okay, so thank you so much everyone. So we will now proceed po with our next agenda which is yung atin pong SRP. So I would like to give the microphone to our RDPMO, Mr. Kit De La Cruz.